franchising, as he just explained, is relatively new in India, and we have also started it, at least in domestic franchising, very aggressively in the last 1 year or so. We have started to approach different franchisees. It's based on a reason of a period of success in international operations which Lavazza has had with franchising their cafe model around the world, which is called Lavazza Expressions. And also Barista has had significant success with franchise operations in international markets. So we decided it's time to do it in India. So other than the metros, we are aggressively scouting for franchisees in all major states and state capitals, etc. And especially for some of the reasons which have already been covered, but also because, see, in the smaller states or in the non-metros, the local parties, the franchisees we find know the local markets better, perhaps better than we know. They have already 2-3 other businesses, 2-3 other restaurant formats. It becomes easier for them to pull in their resources. And the whole business here in India, as speaker after speaker has been saying, the restaurant business is completely flawed because of the real estate cost. Unless you find you're starting with a premise that your rental is going to be a killer. So how do I lower all other costs is the challenge. And one of the ways to do that is through franchising, wherein I reduce my investment, but the person there, the franchisee there, has a fairly strong local business, a local supply chain, and is able to combine that with the power of 3-4 brands and is able to give us what we want. So I think this is the route for the future. There are pitfalls, however, because it's relatively new. There has to be trial and error. You may win somewhere, you may lose somewhere. That's why, we are either not putting all our eggs in one basket, nor are we having too many eggs. The way we are trying to do it is, it's not like the pizza guys, let's say, who have one master franchise across the country. We are saying maybe by state we have, or, by city we have, so that, maybe 5 stores, 10 store model rather than a 100 store model. So different kinds of things are being tried out, but I think the future is clearly franchise. I mean, there's no doubt about it. I think in India, the future is franchising. How people understand this game and how they are able to play it out, keeping in mind local nuances and local things is going to be the real key. You see, for us in the coffee shop business, life in the metros is not very easy. And, you know it better because we sell coffee about $1, quarter. With real estate cost, whereas in US or something, the cost of coffee is $4, but the real estate is almost comparative. Mm-hmm. So if we look for a franchisee in a metro, we'll clearly look at somebody who's got a real estate background. But like I said, if you go out of the main metros where the rentals are 25-30%, you go to the smaller towns, the state capitals, we look at a little bit of a mix of everything. Somebody who's got an F&B background, who's got a local linkages, and some kind of real estate, because we always talk of, multi-unit, at least 3 stores, 5 stores, 10 stores. So maybe 1 or 2, he has some real estate options. The rest of it, again, he will have to scout himself.